7 awesome apps to make money from your phone. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 7 apps that you can download for free, get started to make money within minutes from your phone. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna share with you 7 apps. I might have a bonus app also included here, so it might be 8. So what you need to do here is pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information I'm gonna share with you regarding these apps here that you can download for free and get started to make money from your phone within minutes. Also, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that you can have a closer look at when we finish the video here, of course. But for now, let's see these apps here that we can download, get started to make money from our phones there. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get started here with something from Google, and this is Google Opinion Rewards. You can just type in on Google here and you can see you will arrive to this site. Unless you are on your iPhone or on Android device here, you can go straight to it by just typing Google Opinion Rewards. Basically what this is, you can see here you earn rewards for helping us improve our products and services. Available, as you could see earlier here, both on App Store and Google Play. You download, you answer quick surveys in your spare time, and you get rewards for watching television and using the internet like you normally do. So you can see here completing surveys. You get rewarded with Google Play or PayPal credit for each one you complete here. So we're talking about PayPal money here, of course. I'm going to just open it up here real quick on Google Play so you can see it. You can see, as I said, just type Google Opinion Rewards and you will see it real quick. But I think more or less it tells us here exactly what I mentioned earlier. So you can have a look at it for yourself. Just type, go ahead and download it and get started with it. Let's move on to something else, and that is Cash Pirate. You can see here Cash Pirate. If you're on desktop, you have to go to cashpirate.mobi. Otherwise, you can type Cash Pirate, available on both platforms here. Again, you get rewarded for trying free apps, completing surveys and watching videos. So you definitely have a few opportunities here to make money with Cash Pirate here. And once you have collected enough pirate coins, you can swap for rewards. We got all the rewards you ever wanted, like Amazon, iTunes, Steam or PayPal Cash, of course, if you're interested in that. So it totally depends on what you prefer. More or less, you download, you register, you collect the coins here, you get rewarded, of course, redeeming gift cards, and there is also a referral program, which is really nice because you earn coins while you are asleep, more or less. You refer your friends and you will get 10% of all the earnings, as well as 5% of all the friends your friends referred. So this is a tier 2 program, really nice here. It explains a little bit more here. Your referrals will get 500 bonus coins. So have a look at it for yourself here. I'm not going to go into the details here. You can have a look at it for yourself. And more or less, if you have a look at it on Google Play here, I think there isn't really. You can see here you're downloading free apps, you're trying games, inviting friends, of course, completing surveys, free product trials and watching videos also. Cash Pirate, just typed it in and download it. Let's move on to something else here, and that is Folkfolk.com. You can see here that basically what you can do is download this app, which is available both on App Store and Google Play, and you are going to take photos that you're going to upload and of course sell them. So how it works is you simply upload your videos and photos, so you can actually upload videos also, and you earn money with that. Now, whenever a brand, an agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding, of course it means they like it and they will purchase it. And they do share a revenue with 50-50 for you here. But you can also take part in creative video and photo missions. They do have this on a regular basis, so it means that you can actually make even more money. So you can see here, by submitting a video or picture to one of our missions is an easy way to make money your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the brand is after. So have a look at it for yourself here, the details. It's definitely a great way, taking pictures, and all you have to do is use your imagination here, taking pictures on different topics or whatever, different moments actually also. So go ahead, foap.com, or if you are on your device there, just type foap, F-O-A-P there. Let's move on to something else, and this is Survey on the Go. Surveysonthego.com actually. You can see here you're taking surveys and you get paid. You can see here this is a $25, for example, a lifestyle survey. You're taking different surveys here. This is updated site actually recently, but it is the same content here more or less. So if I just open up here the FAQ, I think that you can see here why I should complete surveys. Pretty obvious, because you are going to get paid here. We're talking about PayPal money, of course. How do I download the app? Really simple. You go neither on Google Play or App Store and you download it. So this is how it looks in the Google Play. So you can see here Fortune 600 companies, the entertainment industry and other brands around the country need your opinion, and they pay you cash for that. Alright, so not points here. Once again, really simple. You allow notification and location services when you sign up. They invite you to take paid surveys, usually a few per month. Redeem your rewards once you earned $10. So as soon as you have earned $10, you can redeem your rewards there. Surveys on the Go, definitely a great and popular app also. Let's move on to Dosh. Dosh is one of the most popular cashback apps actually. Also available on both platforms, and it's not points, it's not coupons, just cold hard cash. So what you're going to do is you need to connect your card here, secure link your credit and debit cards, and whenever you pay with them, Dosh gets you cash back. Okay, you can go shopping and dine out, so you can see here, pay with your linked card at thousands of stores and restaurants, and you can get up to 10% cash back automatically in your Dosh wallet. They do have also a referral program, so you get $5 for each one who signs up and links a verified card there. And of course you transfer your cash to bank accounts, PayPal, or donate to charity from the app there. And here are some companies that they do work with. There is a large amount of companies here, I would say actually. So real people, real cash, and real difference. This is a testimonial here. You can just have a look at it for yourself, more or less. I don't think I should proceed here, but just go straight. If you want to, go to dosh.cash if you're on the desktop. Otherwise, you can search it straight away in your smartphone there. Alright, let's move on to something else, and how about earning money by watching trailers? You can do that on app trailers, also available on both platforms here. So what you do is you preview video trailers of apps, celebrity gossip, do-it-yourself videos, and you get points that you can redeem with PayPal cash, Amazon gift codes, and many more with app trailers. So really a nice app. Download it, totally free actually, and earn money by watching trailers, short videos here, and you get PayPal money for that also. Okay, let's move on to something else here. One of the popular apps actually also are feature points. You can have a look at it. I'm logged in here on my desktop, featurepoints.com, and this is a very popular site. You can see here there is everything from referral program. You get feature points on your phone here. You download it and you can take different offer vaults here, taking surveys, of course watching videos. You can see here, watch a video and you earn a token here. So Feature Points has a lot of options here. And let me also include one more app for you here that you can do pretty similar tasks that are totally free to sign up with, and of course they do cash out via PayPal also. That is swagbucks.com. This could be the number one app, I'm not really sure, but definitely one of the top apps that you can download for free. And you can see here you get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. You earn points by shopping, watching entertainment videos, search your web, and of course we do have the redeem your points there for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or you get cash back from PayPal. You see that they do have paid out well over $397 million till this date. So definitely a great way actually. So let's see here how it works. You see here you join Swagbucks, you earn points, and of course you get your PayPal cash there, or if you want, you might prefer an Amazon gift card or Walmart or whatever. And that is by shopping, answering surveys, watching videos, once again here, discovering offers in the offer vault. They might ask you to search the web for something particular, playing games, so you can have fun while you earn some money there, and of course you can earn even more with a mobile app that you're going to download there. Alright, so there you have it, 7+ awesome apps to make money from your phone. Now all these apps are great, but you are only going to get a few extra bucks actually, to be completely honest. You can't get rich with these apps. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, get started to build a real sustainable online business, I do have my number one recommendation right here below. So I highly recommend you to have a closer look at it when we finish the video here, of course. If you got some value here, I appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation here at my end screen right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.